Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Moz easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and visit the Moz website. Log into your Moz account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Identify the budget section in the menu. Click on the budget tab to access budgeting tools. Start by setting your overall budget for the period you want. Enter your expected income in the designated field. Next, list your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Add variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and travel. After entering all expenses, review your totals for accuracy. Use the budgeting tools provided to categorize your expenses. Adjust your spending categories as needed to match your priorities. Once satisfied, save your budget to track your financial progress. Utilize Moz Insights feature for suggestions on budget optimization. Monitor your budget regularly to ensure you stay on track. Consider adjusting your budget monthly based on your spending habits. Use the reports feature to analyze your financial trends over time. Utilize the forecasting tools to plan for future expenses or income fluctuations. Review your budget frequently to make proactive adjustments. Celebrate milestones when you meet your budget goals. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process that requires regular attention. Take the time to reflect on your spending patterns to improve future budgets. With these steps, you're now equipped to create and manage a budget effectively with Moz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.